Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, what I would like to do is create a section specifically for 3 buttons. I call them the action buttons. One of the buttons is going to be for adding a new category. The second one is for adding a new food item. And the third one is for viewing orders, such as when people make a purchase, order a food online. Us as the admin, we can view those orders, and so that way we can properly have their information and deliver the food over to them. Okay, so it's viewing the orders. Let's go ahead and go to the admin dashboard, and below show header, let's go ahead and create a function here, an arrow function, and we're gonna call this one show action BTNs, short for buttons. Okay, just like so. All right, so we're gonna start creating some JSX here. I'm gonna start off with a div tag, and this, let's see, a div tag here. All right, yeah. All right, give it a class name, and we're gonna use a bootstrap class. We're gonna do bg-light. All right, just like that. And below it, go ahead, another div tag, the class name, and give it a container. Below container, another div tag with class name of row, and inside the row, a class name of CL column for column dash MD dash 4 because we're going to be making 3 rows of these, 3 columns, total columns. Actually, we can do that later. For now, let's start off with the first action button. Within this column, go ahead and create a button. And this button will have, let's see, this button will have, what are we going to do here? All right, so let's do a class name of BTN outline, let's do info, and then we're going to do BTN block. And then within here, let's do an I tag, because we're going to add an icon for this. And this first one we're going to do, let's do add category, just like that. Go ahead and save that and see how it looks so far. All right, why didn't this show up? Let's see. Oh, because we created the function here, but we're not rendering it. We didn't add it in our return statement. So over here, all right, let's fix this thing up a little. All right, just like that. Yeah, all right, that works. All right, so below the show header, let's go ahead and create show action buttons with parentheses, and go ahead and save that, and go back, and there we go. All right, we have a button, add category. All right, let's go ahead and create some padding there though. Let's do, let's see, let's do PY1. No, let's do MB for margin bottom, and then 1, and add that over here where the column class is at. All right, let's go back. Nope. All right, no problem. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and add for row. Let's do, let's see, for the row, let's do margin bottom you know what? We'll take care of that. Wait, let me see. Let's see what we got here. All right, get the row, get the column. All right, let's also add, yeah, let's do MY for margin top and bottom 1. All right, margin bottom. Let me do a PY for padding, top and bottom. Let me do, let's do 3. All right, yeah, that looks better. All right, that looks better. All right, just like that. All right, so in the column, right next to the column, add PY3 and MY1. All right, and now let's add an icon for this right here. So over here, add a class name, and for the category, let's do FOSFA plus FOSFA. Let's do FOSFA plus. I think that would be correct. Yeah, just like that. All right, just like that. All right, and let's go ahead, and we have to create 2 other ones, right? Because I said add category, add food, and the other one was view orders. So what we can do is we can copy this column tag, everything from the column, and inside of it, copy that onto your clipboard, and below it, go ahead and paste that 3 times. All right, so we have the row with, now we have 3 columns. Okay, and if we save that and look here, this is exactly what we want, 3 rows. Okay, but obviously we don't want the same identical one. We have to make some adjustments. All right, so for the second column, what we want to do is add food, or AKA add food item. All right, and for this one, we're going to add a color of warning. And this one also, the icon is going to be plus. All right, go ahead and save that. Go back. All right, good. All right, so we see add food, add a category, add food. And then the final one we want to do is add view orders. So let's go ahead and change this to view orders. And for the color, I want to do BTN outline success, which will give us a green button. And let's see here, I want a specific icon. I just can't remember what it is. So when you don't remember what icon you want to use, we know we're using Font Awesome library, so we can go here to the Font Awesome library, do Font Awesome 5, because that is the version of Font Awesome we're using. So Font Awesome 5, and I like to go here to w3schools.com. You see Font Awesome 5 intro. Click on it. On the side here, I'm going to go to the category for currency. All right, click on currency. I just couldn't remember the name of it, so I have to kind of go back and refresh my memory. All right, this is the one I want here. You see, view orders. I don't know. I like this one. So, and of course, you're always open to, if you feel there's another icon that makes more sense to you or that you prefer using, by all means, go ahead and use it. I mean, there's a vast amount of options of icons using Font Awesome library, but so it is more of a personal thing, but choose however you want. All right, and here, so view orders, I'm going to delete what was originally in there and paste in what I wanted. All right, so money checkout, save that and go back and look at that. All right, you see view orders, I got add food, add category. All right, and it's also responsive, right? Let me go ahead and open my dev tools. Let's see here. All right, so let's imagine, all right, all right, there we go. All right, so let's say I wanna, this is all part of the dev tools also, in case you didn't know. Over here, there's this icon here. It looks like you see like a mobile device and a tablet. Click on it, and you have some options here. So right now I have it in a responsive mode, but I can do, like, say I want to see how it looks on an iPhone X. All right, I click that. Look at how it looks. You see? Wow. Okay, that's too much spacing here. Let me go back here. Margin. What did I do? PY. You know what? Let me add the PY here with the next to row, and I'm going to do PB for padding bottom, and I'm going to remove these PY tags from all of my the classes that are next to the for the column. Just remove those from there and then save it. So just add the padding over here where the row is, and I'm gonna save that. Let me see how that looks like. All right, yeah, all right, much better. All right, good. All right, let me do something else here. All right, let me see. All right, so here for where the BG light is, let me do margin Y for margin top and bottom. Let me do 2. Save that. All right, looks better. All right, yeah, that looks much better. All right, good. All right, so that's how it looks on a mobile device, and again, this is on iPhone X. Let's see how it looks on a Galaxy S5. All right, pretty much the same. Let's see how it looks on an iPad. Just like that. Great, great, great. All right, and yeah, all right, and let's just see a larger device. This is more like a tablet. All right, and let's see full screen. I'm gonna close the DevTools, and there you go. All right, that's looking great. All right, so right now if I press a button, nothing happens. And ideally what I want to do, so in the next video, I would like to create a modal window. So as I click on each button, there's going to be a pop-up window or a modal that's going to show up a form, so we can enter the category and all these other form details. All right, so that's it for now. I will see you in the next video.